Hello everyone, this is Sam from 𝐦𝐨𝐷𝐿.com. I've got a video here of a nice little standard Hijet. This one's in black colour, got the normal size cab, a fully enclosed cab, and battery covers there. Nice clean tidy truck, no damage to the drop sides, you can see. Also the tray, got a bit of dust on it, but nothing too serious. Even got quite good tyres for on-road. So this vehicle is going to be shipped to the US. If it doesn't get sold before, it will be available when it arrives. A lot of the vehicles these days are sold on the boat or sold from these photos and videos. This one here is quite well equipped. Power windows, it's got airbag on the driver's side. Nice clean and tidy seat there. See in here, it's done 32,000 kilometers, about 20,000 miles. Not very much really. Air conditioned, heater, diff lock, four-wheel drive. Press this button here, the four-wheel drive light comes on there. Four-wheel drive's engaged. You press this button here, put it into reverse, you'll see that light come on. That's the rear diff lock engaged. It's also got high or low range on the transmission as well. Completely enclosed, you can see all closed up, and electric windows as I mentioned. So this will be sold in the US as an off-road only vehicle. You can only use this off-road, not on the public highway, and so it's in competition with the usual ATVs. So compared with those, it does have some good equipment. So as I mentioned all the things before, it all looks pretty good compared with those ATVs. So I hope whoever buys this is going to enjoy it. It's going to be shipped out very soon, and if you're interested in buying this one like it, or you think you can make some money as a distributor for us in the US for these trucks, have a look on our website 𝐷𝐿.com and you'll see information on there about doing that. Thank you very much for watching.